There are multiple pros and cons to lab-grown meat. The pros. Lab-grown meat is more energy efficient to produce than animal meat and needs much less land to create compared to the traditional way of generating meat. Additionally, lab-grown meat has a lower risk of carrying diseases. If lab-grown meats replace the majority of animal meat produced today, it would reduce the methane emissions worldwide, and the need to raise as many livestock would lessen. It could replace the unsustainable practices that are used today in the current meat industry. The production of lab-grown meats could help feed the ever-growing human population. The cons. Lab-grown meat is absurdly expensive to the average consumer, from the low-end prices starting at $600 and the high-end prices hitting $18,000. More cons for lab-grown meats are that researchers are still trying to perfect the steps to make it so that it is well-formed. A significant reason for this is the uncanny valley effect, a hypothesized relationship between the degree of an object's resemblance to a human being and the emotional response towards the object. This effect is not only limited to robots or lifelike objects, it also applies to foods. Our bodies reject foods that may invoke unfamiliarity to keep us safe from getting poisoned or sick. This natural biological response is a major problem when it comes to promoting lab-grown meat. If people do not like what they see, they will not be inclined to eat it. In order to solve this, scientists will need to make lab-grown meat that shows enough resemblance to real meat. The need for using a serum that is created from animal blood to culture cells is another issue that arises with lab meat. This is a genuine problem because the objective of lab meat is to reduce the number of livestock being raised and killed for meat and provide a cleaner alternative for the environment. Additionally, the serum is also very costly, and because of that, it makes producing lab-grown meat that much more expensive. A possible solution to this is sourcing nutrients from another source, such as a plant, instead of the serum.